Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khosrow Sokhanbar. I'm here by another analysis of the market of cryptocurrencies. So first, let's start with Bitcoin. Okay, let's go to some higher time frames, like 3 months time frame. Okay, we need to go to another chart to have bigger data. Okay, as we see here, we have had a spike, then yeah, we have been in a channel that we see the first touch, second touch, third touch, and it's our channel in very long term chart. And now if we wanted to drop, it should have been from here, so we crossed it up. That means that we are now in a trading range between these two zones right now. So in very long term view, we are in a trading range. And if we go to weekly time frame, here there is a spike, then a channel, and between these two zones, here and here, we have been in a trading range. And we already told everyone here that we crossed this zone, so we will go again to this trading range. And we see that we broke this zone with this spike candles. So now we are again inside this smaller trading range. So we expect the price to go again up to this resistance zone. Okay, so but for daily time frame. In daily time frame, it's a spike, the breakout, then a channel that we see. Okay, from here to here. Okay, we broke this channel, but it was a fake breakout because we went again inside this channel, and it's the pullback and buy signal. So we expect the price to go and cross this short-term resistance zone. It can do also like this, that goes here, comes again down like this to make a trading range here between these two zones, and then goes up, or it can go directly from here up with a pullback to this zone. So overall, my view on market is still bullish because our long-term view and our short-term view all shows that the price can go again to all-time high. And especially because in also daily time frame, we are in a three bullish cycle because our spike is bullish and our channel is like ascending channel, not it's not a bearish trend. So we expect the price to go up again. Okay, about altcoins, I would like to analyze the chart of ADA or Cardano against Ethereum because it's good to know if it's better to hold Ethereum or ADA. Here we see that we had a spike, dropping spike, trading range, and here between these two zones, between here and this bottom zone, we have had a trading range, and then this trading range expanded to between these two zones, and there has been a breakdown of breakout, sorry, of this zone, and we came again up, we pull back to this broken zone, so it has been a fake breakout, and we expect the price to go here because it's been our original trading range and it has been crossed, so we expect this midline to be broken and the price to go to our 0.0016539. So we expect here around 600% gain against Ethereum. Okay, about Let's take a look in BNB against USDT. Okay, if I let's then be here. Okay, it's spike, channel, and we see a trading range here. It has been a bottom of this trading range. And here we can see a classic double bottom pattern. So if I find something to, yeah, like this, we see that it's the first bottom, and it can be the second bottom. And the target will be first this all-time high zone, and then 841 can be the target of BNB. If you look for a safer or cheaper entry price, but with accepting the risk of being left behind by the price, you can wait for this trend line and this broken zone, which is around $270. But, or you can wait if this flag is broken, you can enter in this break-even zone, imaginary break-even zone. But overall, the target is these prices, in my opinion. Okay, about Solana. Let's see Solana against Bitcoin. No, Solana against Ethereum. Here, we see a double bottom, first bottom, second bottom, and we can draw this channel, and we see that this midline has been respected. So the target would be here. We see the target is broken too, and with the pullback, it got a reaction to this broken resistance. So we expect Solana to move against Ethereum too, but it's already up, so it's not a good entry in my opinion. We can wait for this trend line here. If the price goes to this trend line, we can search for an entry price. Okay, about Phantom. Exactly the same pattern as the previous chart that we saw. It's a double bottom, like here. We see here that the midline got a reaction, so we can expect the same pattern as Solana against Ethereum that happens in Phantom against USDT. So the target can be, if we double this channel, around this zone, around 2.55, $2.55. About Zilliqa, and it's again the same pattern. Here, a double bottom, and the target can be, if we extend it, and this double bottom can take the price to 0.08581. Sorry. And here Aave, same story. Again, here we have a trading range between these two zones, here and here, and a flag which is broken, but the break-even zone has been crossed by the price up, so we expect these highs to be crossed by the price, so we expect the price to goes up for Aave too. About Uniswap, again, it's the same story as Aave, so no difference. We expect it to, if we gonna have a target for it, you can see this and extend it. It can go to our $26. About MINA protocol, which is my favorite project, we see that this trend line is broken by the price, and that break-even has worked actually. So it's not an entry point anymore, but I expect the price to have a rally. And ADA. In ADA, we see a bullish flag plus a broken double bottom. See, one bottom, the second bottom. Here the midline was respected, and the target can be around, yes, around 91 cents. But if we consider Fibonacci and we have got a reaction from this golden level 0.618, the target can be around 1.26 for ADA. And about Polkadot, the same story. Again, double bottom, and the target can be around $17.5. Okay, overall, in my opinion, the market is bullish. Don't listen to those channels that are waiting for a drop, because I can record videos and I can draw many zones here. Like I can consider this as a resistance zone, this too, again, this, and this. And yeah, I record video every day when the price crosses this zone. I say, okay, this zone can crash the price, then it's crossed, and then I say, okay, we crash from this zone, and yeah, randomly from one of them I will get a reaction like this. Okay, and I say, you see, I told you that the price will crash. But no, it's not how we analyze the market, because we're not here to tell you this story. We just analyze based on supply and demand methodology, which is the reality of market, not the dreams. So for us, this zone was important here. This zone was important here. And you see the price crossed it with a spike, with a breakout. It came back to this zone, respected it as a broken resistance, which is a support from now on, and we got a reaction. So the next level can be these prices. So I see the next major resistance here around 62,837. Okay. I hope you been profit in this amazing market, and we're trying to teach you some market cycle methodology, price actions by these recorded videos about analyzing the market and give you a view about the future of market of cryptocurrencies. Because in my opinion, we are in a bull run, we are in a uh, uptrend, because we saw in our price action course that in a bullish trend or uptrend, we have higher lows and higher high. And we see here, we already formed a higher low and we are in a bull trend or uptrend. So don't listen to people who, based on nothing, just decide that it's a resistance and we can crash, we can go to zero, we can wait for lower level. The maximum level that we can touch is here, in my opinion. In the worst scenario that the price crashes too hard, we can just go to 32,800, not further down, in my opinion, which is, again, in my opinion, impossible at this moment. I believe that the price will go to all-time high before seeing any lower levels. Okay, so I hope that it helps you to manage your portfolio. I should mention that nothing in this recorded videos are financial advices. And if you trade based on this information, all the responsibility about any losses or profit is on you, not on us. My name is Khosrow Sukhanvar, investor and trader in financial markets.